It's time for something completely different. It's time to explore. It's time for epic adventures. These are the completely redesigned Sea-Doo models, made for adventure and unlike anything else on the water. This revolutionary new platform is the most stable in the industry, giving you a smooth ride and maximum control in any water conditions. A massive swim platform for catching some rays, modular seating for hanging out and grabbing a bite, and direct access front storage for every bit of your outdoor gear. A high-performance, waterproof, party-starting Bluetooth audio system and custom attachable accessories can turn any joyride into an epic journey. It's time to get on the #1 watercraft in the world with the all-new, all-adventure Sea-Doo models. Check them out at seadoo.com.